This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by testing the kurti in sunlight to locate thin or transparent panels, then decide whether a lining, modesty panel, or undergarment will solve it. Once done, measure the hem and armholes and add a 0.5 cm allowance for stitching so your repairs sit flat. You should pick a lining that matches drape and color. Cotton voile keeps breathability while adding opacity. Make sure to gather pins, sharp scissors, matching thread, and a narrow iron for crisp. You now cut the lining from the kurti pattern, reducing length slightly so it hides inside the hem and doesn't peek out. Once cut, pin the lining to the kurti at the shoulders and side seams and baste by hand to check the drape. This prevents puckering. When satisfied, stitch with a narrow zigzag on stretch or French seams for lightweight wovens, then press seams with low heat. Make sure to finish edges to prevent fray and preserve the garment's original silhouette. You finish by rehanging hems and collars, pressing them flat and top stitching about 1/8 inch from the edge so the repair reads as original construction. Once done, check in multiple lights and try on with the intended undergarment. If small thin spots remain, apply a tiny reverse applique patch or fabric glue backed with a scrap. If overall opacity is still inadequate, make sure to add a thin second layer or consider dyeing the kurti a deeper shade to mask translucence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.